spoke Eagle, the big and the strong. Said he, I am the largest, oh, known far and wide by my head and my wing. And kings wear me on their helmets, oh. Said Swan, I am the fairest of fair. Maidens have become me, oh. All heads turn when I take to the air. My call is heard down the valley, oh. The strongest fly high and the weakest fly low. Wren was the king of all the birdies, oh. Croaked a raven, I am the smartest of all. My knowledge is the greatest, oh. My magic affects both the large and the small. And all men come to me at their ending, oh. Sing nightingale, so beautiful my song. Lovers travel far to hear me, oh. I fly all day and I sing all night long, for to soothe the weary, oh. Little Wren, so weary was he, from his so long travels, oh. On eagle's back he made his bed, and soon he fell asleep, oh. The strongest fly high and the weakest fly low. Wren was the king of all the birdies, oh. Clever Crow said, I propose a contest for to enter, oh. Let us all stretch out our wings and see who can fly the highest, oh. All the birds leapt to the air, and Eagle was the strongest, oh. His wings struck the wind with a grace so fair, he soared to the tops of the sunbeams, oh. Little Wren woke with a start, found himself among the cloudies, oh. He took to wing and above Eagle flew. The birds cried, Wren will be our king, oh. The strongest fly high and the weakest fly low. Wren was the king of all the birdies, oh. The strongest fly high and the weakest fly low. Wren was the king of all the birdies, oh.